In this short video, I'm going to show you the effect a fractional power has on a number. As you can see here, all right, we start off with 25, we have a power a half. Now, if I show you what the answer of this is going to be, see if you can work out what's happened. So the answer, 25 to the power a half, is 5. That's because I've had a little look at this value here, all right, and I've seen it's a 2. So what that actually means is I've square rooted the value of 25. Okay, so in other words, this is what's gone on. Square root of 25. Okay, so looking at the next one here, 36 to a power a half. Well, the same thing, all right, the power a half means to square root. So the square root of 36 is 6. So that's our answer. And for the final one, again, a square root a half. So we're going to square root the value of 64. And that gives us the answer of 8. So that's fairly straightforward. It's almost like the inverse of squaring when you have a power of a half. In these examples, slightly different, we have a power a third, and to the 27 is a power 2/3. So in this example, where before we were square rooting, because this denominator value is now a 3, we're going to cube root. In other words, we're going to do the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Finally, this example. All right, as you can see, we've got a denominator of 3, so we're going to cube root 27. So we're going to cube root 27, which gives us the value of 3. But then we've got a numerator value here of 2. So that's actually telling us to power to 2, our answer. So 3 to the power 2, 3 squared, because we're getting that value from there, is 9. Okay? So here's a recap page, points to remember. First thing you do is you look at the denominator value. All right, if it's 2, you square root it. In this case, if it's 3, you cube root it. So first root to this value. Secondly, power your first answer to this value. So in that last example, we cube rooted 27, and then we square rooted the answer because we had 2 as the numerator. In the first examples, we didn't do anything because that was 1 at the top. All right, and this down the bottom is the general formula. All right, so any value to the power m over n, okay, you root to the n value and then power to the m value. Okay.